So I'm here. It's 10:34 and we're just waiting here for the fireworks to start at 11. Here's the carnival all lit up at night and stuff. We'll be going to that soon enough. I'll make videos there because there's like some lights here and there that look old school that I'm interested in. There's some dude who doesn't even know how to turn his flashers off. What an idiot. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff here. We're just waiting. We could just look at all this stuff. There's a highway. This is Highway 63. I can't wait to go there, even though I'll probably only ride like 1 or 2 rides there. It's sad, isn't it? Soon, once it starts getting around you know the time the fireworks start going off, I'll set my tripod up top the car and stuff and do that stuff, you know. But for now, there's people already setting off fireworks here. But yeah, you know, it's a nice place here. It's like a kid riding a bike, and you know, there's a lot of stuff that I wish I was able to do out here and stuff instead of just standing out here doing nothing. Should have brought my scooter out here if I would have known it was if I would have known it was like a normal thing, you know, if you're in the back and crap, you know. So yeah, let's see when the fireworks go off. We're getting closer and closer. We got other fireworks going off. It's like 10:48 right now. It's almost time. A fun fact: I haven't been able to see the Walmart Tower on night mode. Well, I haven't been able to see the Walmart Tower at night ever since its upgrade. You know, it's 5G upgrade crap. You know. So this here is like the first time in a while I've been able to see it at night when it's flashing and stuff. It's not it's all normal and stuff, but I just haven't seen it in a long time. So yeah. So yeah, the reason why I haven't seen it at night in a long time is because of how it's summer, night's shorter, and they fixed you know how the Walmart Tower used to always go on night mode pretty early when the sun starts to set? Well, they fixed that problem. So it's no longer like that. So okay, so I'm setting it up and stuff. Okay, so we almost there. We almost there. I want to go to a firework tent too at night, just to give off that 4th of July feel, because you know that's always at night and crap. You have all your colorful red, white, and blue lights and crap like that. You know, just 4th of July is just better at night. You know, so it's a night holiday. It's America's birthday. So yeah, we're just waiting. I can't take these loud trucks. They're the most annoying thing ever. They speed up. They are the most annoying thing in the entire world. It's like 10:56 now. I should get prepared, you know. Okay. There's two. Those people. So it's like 11:11 right now. So it's lasted for like 11 minutes or more actually, probably. I'm also going to the carnival tomorrow. See you there. There's also more things I gotta film, like those, and other